Question which again a lot of people ask me, and rightly which you have also asked me, ki how does the coaching help, whether it actually helps or not. Let me be very clear, ladies and gentlemen. You will agree that the coaching helps in sports, the coaching helps in IAS exams, the coaching helps you in cracking the IIT exam. Tell me, in which exam in the country today you do not have the coaching? In fact, it's a huge industry. Some people study in the government colleges. You know what kind of education system we have. Who's going to guide them? Who's going to mentor them? Let me tell you, very frankly, these coaching institutes are doing a great service to the country. Let them be in any stream or any exam for any examination. But there is a big but here.
Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364052525 to inquire and register. Now let's get back to the video.
You know, certain coaching institutes, particularly of the armed forces, they claim that they will ensure that the candidate passes. And in a short period of time, they try to do some cosmetic changes in the candidate. Whereas these cosmetic changes in the armed forces do not help at all. If the person who is coaching you is not himself a coach who had been in the service selection board, then you should never think of joining such institute. Nobody can coach you other than the person who has been in the services selection institute. Yes, he will have reasonably good knowledge because he has been trained for it. So what kind of institute you go, what kind of instructors you have they been trained for it to coach you further? So if the answer is yes, well, it is going to help you definitely, because at least they will tell you what is expected of you when you go, what is the testing procedure, what all they see in you, and how can you improve yourself. The focus of the coaching institute, so-called, should be on guidance, should be on mentoring, should be on ensuring inner engineering in you. And how it can be done? It can be firstly done by knowing your mistakes. If the coaching institute is not doing it, by carrying out various tests to begin with and find out what mistakes you have in your personality. And they do not tell you that which are the areas you got to improve, then I think they are not doing their job. If they tell you your mistakes and how you can improve yourself, because nobody can improve yourself but you yourself. He can guide you, he can mentor you, he can coach you, direct you, and monitor the changes in you. So my answer for this is definitely yes. Coaching will help you, provided the instructors are good, the institute is positive and good. And of course, SSB Show Short Academy are doing a wonderful job. Why? Because they themselves are trained. And here is the only institute in the country where I have seen everything is at one place. You know that your accommodation is here, your dining lodge is next door, your obstacle system is little away. On top of that, you have a higher obstacle course which improve your personality. There is a personality development kind of outdoor training center. So there are so many things at one place and you do not have to go anywhere. So this is the best area for interaction because such kind of facilities are never seen. And the way these people are handling whatever I could make out in the last 2-3 hours is amazing. And I am confident that you are going to be